These fruits look so bright this morning. I really want to take good care of them today. Whoa, this little fruit came all the way over here. I wonder where the rest of them are hiding in the grass. The clearing looks extra bright today. I wonder what Koko and Bibi are up to under that tree. Thank you for growing all these beautiful fruits. I want to keep them safe and use them well. Look how many fruits are up there, Bibi! It feels like the whole tree is ready for us today. Oh, they're all coming down at once! We have to be careful, or they'll roll everywhere. There are so many, they're spreading out too fast. If we don't act, they might be squashed or washed away. Got you before you went too far. I'll guard this slope so the fruits don't reach the stream.
If we don't gather them soon, so many will be wasted. I need to figure out a way to take care of all of this.
They're already all over the ground. Then we'll have to work together and gather every single one we can. I'll start gathering these before they get bruised. I'll watch this side so nothing rolls too far. Some of them hid pretty deep in here. You're doing great. None of them will escape us today. I've got this side. Nothing is getting past me. Thank you, Bibi. Keep holding that spot.
This spot looks safe for now.
With both of us here, nothing will roll away. More are falling. We have to hurry.
I'll stay on watch. Go get that one before it reaches the flowers.
Gotcha! Just in time. There are so many places these can roll. I can hold this spot, even if it's tiring. Just a little longer, Bibi. You're doing amazing.
Some of these are really stuck, but I won't leave any behind.
There are still so many places to check. But we can finish this if we keep going.
We'll get every one.
Together, together. This whole area needs to be cleared. I'll keep watch while you gather what's hidden.
These roots really hold on to things.
Keep going. You're clearing that spot fast. I caught these before they slipped any farther. Nice work, Bibi. We're keeping everything safe. This little pile is growing quickly. We're getting closer to clearing it all.
They keep falling faster than we can gather.
We just have to stay ahead of them.
I'll bring these back to the main pile soon.
I'll hold the slope meanwhile. These are tricky to grab. Just take your time. I've got the slope covered. There, we'll know exactly what's left to move. Great idea, Bibi. You two are doing so well. Thank you, Mimi. We're trying our best.
We've cleaned so much already.
And we'll finish every last one.
Almost there. Just a few more steps.
You've got this, Bibi. Come on up. I'll place these with the rest. Thank you. My paws were getting tired. Everything's starting to look organized. It's really coming together. Here's one that almost escaped. Thank you, Mimi. Everyone matters. They're really working hard. It's beautiful to watch them help each other. There. Now nothing should roll away. It looks perfect from here. Found a few more strays. Bring them over. We're getting close. Even the shady spots are almost clear. Great! This means we're nearly done.
These were the last ones on the path.
Great job. Let's check the rest.
It's looking so much better now.
Let's finish the last few spots together.
Found another one hiding here.
Great catch. Bring it over when you're ready. Got another one here. That log hid more than I thought. Here's one more. It was hiding well. Thank you, Mimi. We're getting close to done. Look, one was tucked behind this rock. Good eye, Lulu. Every fruit counts. I found the one near the water. Great work. Bring it over safely. These are the last few. Let's place them all together. We did it! It's complete! It looks amazing! Here's the last one. Perfect! Thank you, Bibi.
I couldn't have done this without you.
I'm always happy to help. Thank you for everything today.
Everything today.
It meant a lot to me, too. You two worked so well together today. We really did. It looks even more beautiful now. Everyone helped, from start to finish. The forest feels calmer now. Helping each other does that. I saw everything from up there. It was awesome. Glad you were cheering us on. You two showed real teamwork today. It felt good helping together. It's amazing what friends can do together. Thank you for being part of this moment.
Today meant so much to me.
It meant a lot to me, too. We're all proud of you two. Thank you, truly. I'm glad I got to help, too. Every bit mattered. Thank you, everyone, for this beautiful morning.
We're happy to be here.
This moment feels really special. It does. We made it together. I'm really glad I could help. Your help meant everything today. You two really brought everyone together today. It feels wonderful to share this with all of you. Here's a little blessing for our work. It's beautiful, Lulu. Thank you. It feels full of love. That's because everyone cared. You all worked with real heart today. We followed each other's lead. You two made this morning shine. We felt everyone cheering us on. Best teamwork ever. We couldn't have done it without our cheerleader.
Here's a little morning magic.
It's beautiful, Toto. It's perfect, Boo Boo. Thank you. Thank you all for standing with me. We always will. You brought us all together today. Only because I have amazing friends. You're never alone, Koko. I feel that. Thank you. Come rest with us. We're here. I'd like that. Thank you, everyone, for this beautiful morning. Thank you too, Koko.